This here is a true story about my black lab that I called Midnight. I guess it was about 12 years ago when you came into my life. As I recall, it was a warm summer day. I'd gone to the flea market to spend a little time. I saw this man there with a box, and folks were gathered around, so I walked on over just to look around. He said, "I've only got one left," and he looked directly at me. He said, "Hey buddy, you take this puppy, looks like you need a friend. You give him a good home, and he'll love you till the end." I stood there a moment, trying to make up my mind. Something said, "Go ahead and take him. He'll be the best friend you'll ever find." I reached out and got him, and I held him next to me. Our love for each other started growing. It was like it was meant to be. He was black as coal, with those dark brown eyes. He made me think of midnight and the stars in the sky. So I began calling him Midnight as time went by. He soon became the best friend that I ever had. He knew when I was happy. He knew when I was sad. In his younger days, he liked to run, romp, and play, always tearing up things and always in the way. But as he got older, his lifestyle began to change. He began to pay attention when I would say his name. We spent a lot of time together. As time went by, you see, he became the best friend I ever had, and he thought the same of me. He began getting older and couldn't get around. I knew the day was coming that I'd have to put him down. I took him to the vet to see what he could do. He said, "I'm really sorry, but there's nothing left that I can do. I see he's been suffering and he's in a lot of pain. What'd you say you called him?" I said, "Midnight is his name." As I stood there, I put my arms around him, and the tears filled my eyes. I said, "Midnight, I love you, but we'll have to say goodbye. Midnight's now in heaven, if that's where good doggies go. There's not a day goes by that he doesn't cross my mind. I sure do miss him, 'cause a true friend is so hard to find. Yes, a true friend is so hard to find."